Hey guys, what's up? We're about to make a Rocky Road ice cream here. So it's the same as my previous video as make up the vanilla ice cream. So we'll start off with 600 ml of thickened cream. And then 3/4 of a cup of condensed milk, or 200 grams. It takes a little while to get in there because it's so thick. And you want 1 1/4 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a third of a cup of icing sugar, and that's the ingredients for the vanilla ice cream. So what we're going to do to make it chocolate is add 2.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So it's 2.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So what we'll do now is just give it a mix on a high speed for about 5 minutes, until it gets really thick, and then we'll see how it goes in, and I'll get back to you with stage 2. Okay, so that's been mixing for about 5 minutes now, and it looks nice and thick. So what I'm going to do now is put in some peanuts, some marshmallows, just give that a bit of a mix on a low speed just to mix it all through. Don't want to overdo it. Okay, now we put it in a container. Put that in a freezer-proof container. Just put a lid on it and then put it in the freezer and just leave it overnight. So it's the next day and the ice cream's set, and I'll scoop it into the bowl. See how it looks. So we just left that overnight to let it go hard, and I've just left it out for a few minutes just to soften it up to scoop it into the bowl. that's the end result. Rocky Road ice cream. So guys, I'll give you the recipe again. It's 600 ml of thickened cream, 3/4 of a cup of condensed milk, 1/3 of a cup of icing sugar, 1 1/4 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 1/2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Beat that for 5 minutes on a high speed, and then just add in your peanuts and marshmallows, and then freeze overnight. Okay, so if you liked the video, give us a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to see more of these. I'll be planning on doing a few more ice creams and other recipes, and have some other interesting stuff on my channel. So subscribe, and thanks for watching.